Hi, it's Natalie with WTI, and these are my new favorite high heels for this summer. They're from TINSTREE. I feel like the color just screams summer, and when I'm looking for a high heel, not only do I want a high heel that's going to be really cute like these ones, but I want to feel comfortable while I'm walking. You can see here that the heel is pretty tall. It's about 4 inches, but since it has a chunky heel, it makes it way easier to walk. You kind of feel like you're walking on clouds. It doesn't hurt at the end of the day. I even feel like I can wear this to a wedding where I'm going to be dancing and I know my feet won't hurt. And you're going to look good while doing so because it has these really pretty straps all throughout your foot, on the ankle and 2 across your foot, and I just feel that makes your foot look so elegant and long. It even has a square tip at the front, which really makes the shoe unique. And this is just the perfect shoe to complete your look. It's going to receive so many compliments because of how nice it is. I got this shoe in a size 7. Normally I'm a 7.5, but I did decide to size down, and I feel that was a good choice for me. The straps did not hurt my feet. I did not feel that they were too tight. Instead, I felt that they were very secure. I didn't feel like they were gonna fall off. So if you're looking for a really cute pair of high heels for the summer, you're gonna wanna try these from TINSTREE. That's my point of view.